Nowadays, everyone is making the same generic type beat. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create unique beat that stand out every time you open your FL Studio. Let's have some fun. Well, guys, let's set our tempo. I'm gonna go 100 and see. Let's start with the drum. I think the first tip is gonna be on the drum. Make sure your drum sound different than other. For this one, we'll keep it simple, and then after we make it sound well, we want. Maybe we add this, something like that. Okay, let's keep it like that for now. And the next thing gonna be conga. Let's go here. I think I'm gonna use this as my bass again because I love using this one. And I think right here we can go to conga too. Okay, sorry. Let's go like boom. Something like that. Now you can see that it's a basic Afrobeat drum pattern. Now we're gonna make sure that it stand out. To do so, I am going to add some live sound to it. Let's use Adjective Drum 2 to do that. When you go to a Burna Boy concert, the drummer will not play the kick and then the snare, the kick or the rim shot. They are always gonna add some vibe with the hi-hat, with the crash, with the open hat. This is what we're gonna try to emulate. This is going to make you feel that someone is freestyling on the drum. Okay, let's start here. I want this to be a little bit lower. The thing that is very important on this is like how you're going to play with the velocity. The velocity will make it feel more live instead of having the same velocity over and over. This is how you do it, and then once you find a pattern that sounds good with your beat, and then you keep it. I'm going to do that and then skip to the final vibe because it's gonna take some time to find something that's really sound good. Okay guys, this is the pattern I end up keeping. This one right there is like you're doing a little feeling. It's like a little transition. And why there I felt that those were too much. Here's what how they were. And then I said no, I need to let it breathe. And then I'll leave some space here and there, and then right there we have some transition. We jump directly to the melody. Let's start with the chord progression. Let's say we go with labs. You can already see the difference. You feel it. You feel that hey, that's something different. That's the vibe. And we're going to try to make different decision when we create our chord progression, melody, and also when we play the piano, we will try to add some little melody here and there to make it feel like someone is playing a live piano. This is what I'm trying to achieve. That's going to give this beat this unique feel and vibe. So I think we can go to G minor. or let's say D sharp minor as our key. Mm, sorry, come on, L. And then we get back to the same chord right here. And now let's build it. It's like skip one, add one. The same thing right here. Skip one, add one. Skip one, add one. Let's go lower. Woo! Okay, one thing I'm gonna do is like copy the middle note and then we transpose them one octave higher. But we don't want the live drum to be in your face, you know? Okay, now comment L. That's a vibe. Hey. That's a vibe. Now let's layer it with another instrument. I think I'm gonna go with Omnisphere. And I have a preset that I saved. This one is a vibe. Let's copy the same chord progression and then we're only going to keep this like that. And all those one I'm going to remove the middle note. I'm good. Ooh. Now the next step is gonna be your bass. You are going to always create 2 or 3 bass pattern. You can use different instrument to achieve that. For this one, I'm gonna go one with a conga and another one with the sine bass and sorry, the sine bass from Omnisphere. We're going to use those 2 bass. I go like something like that. We already have a vibe. That's it. Now we jump to the next bass. Let's say we go with something simple. But we make it long, like and then it's like right there we do a little bit like and then we make it shorter and simple like that. Uh, let's see. Oh, that's fire. That's fire. That's fire. That's fire, guys. I love it. Ooh. And then we can make some variation in the bass. For example, when we have 4 bars and then the next 4 bars, you can start with something like for now we keep it simple like that and then we add another instrument. I think I wanna go with a violin because I feel like in deep in myself I feel like I need to create some chill, smooth, sad vibe. I don't know why I have this feeling, but that's what I feel for now. And let's try to freestyle something to see if we find. Okay, now let's try to make a little arrangement real quick so we can hear everything in context, played by channel. Or let bring everything on our playlist. So dude, that's a vibe. I love it. Let's say we start with the drum directly with the drum, like and then we have this right there. Oh, let's say we start just right here. Let me add my tag.
Purchase.
Nice, I love it. And on my master, I am going to add the SSL bus compressor, SSL bus compressor 2. Let's go somewhere we have this. And when you're mixing your beat, don't clean everything. Make sure that you leave some dirt in it. That's what gonna make it stand out. Cause sometimes when you clean your mix too much, it starts to sound like it's too perfect, you know? That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, please leave a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter at Sammy Beats, and see you in the next one.